Hello students, you're most welcome in my YouTube channel. So today our topic is changing states of matter. So first, how many states of a matter? We have discussed already that a matter have three states. First is solid, second is liquid and third is gas. A matter have three states: solid, liquid and gas. And we have to already discussed about the molecular arrangement in the solid, liquid and gas. As you see in this picture, the molecules are closely packed in solid and loosely packed in liquid as compared to the solid, and in gas very loosely packed. Means molecules in gas are very loosely packed. And these all states of matter are interchangeable, means these are changed in one another. For example, a solid change into liquid, a solid change into liquid, and the process of changing of solid into liquid is called melting. Solid change into liquid and this process is called melting. For example, an ice cube melt into a water liquid. And what is the melting point of ice? The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degree Celsius or 32 degree Fahrenheit. 32 degree Fahrenheit. It is the melting point of the ice. And the liquid water also converted into water vapor. That process is known as vaporization. And the gas water means water vapor. The state of the gas of the water is water vapor, and water vapor is back converted into liquid by the process of condensation. When the water vapor converted into liquid, this process is known as the condensation. And when the liquid water converted into ice cubes or the solid, this process is known as the freezing. And next, the water vapor directly converted into water, ice cube. The water vapor directly converted into ice cube, this process is known as the deposition. And the solid means ice cube directly converted into water vapor without changing into liquid, this process is known as the sublimation. Sublimation means the solid changes into gas without कन्वर्टिंग इंटू लिक्विड. बिना लिक्विड में बदले वो किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? डायरेक्ट गैस में. तो इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलेंगे? सब्लिमेशन. एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर. व्हाट इज द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर? द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर इज 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 212 डिग्री Fahrenheit. It is important. The melting point of ice and boiling point of water. I hope you understand well that the changing states of matter and boiling and freezing point of water and ice also. Thank you. Thanks for watching.